Hello students, see the question is from TOC. Question, they have given a PDA, okay, and the machine has been defined for Q0, Q1, okay, and then A comma B is the input values, okay, then the stack values can be A and Z0, okay, and Q0 will be the start state, fine. So these are the values given, and the transition is given as Q0 with A comma Z0 stack value. This will push to A Z0. These are the transitions, okay, they have given, and we have to find out the language which is defining by this particular PDA, okay. This is A only, and now with Q1 A comma A, it is going to Q2, and with Q2 A comma A, it is again taking the input string itself, and if the stack is empty and we push Z0, then it is going to get empty. Okay, so if you draw the automata for this, the automata will come like this, means push down automata I'm telling. So Q2 is the final state, sorry, this is A. Okay, so this is the given automata. So from this automata it is clear that here n number of A's followed by n number of B's, sorry, m number of B's, okay, and followed by n number of A's. So A option is matching. Look for the B option. Why B option is wrong? If you go for the B option, the PDA will something look like this for the B option, okay. Actually the answer is A only, so I'm just telling you why B is wrong. See, if you go for the B option, this will be A comma Z0. It is A N B N, right? So this will be A comma Z0, so it will push A Z0, and if you push, so this will be the PDA for the B option, okay. So therefore B is wrong, and C is also not correct, because here the n is B is not greater than n, for the given transition this is not possible. B to the power n is not possible, right? So C is also wrong, so A option is correct, so our answer is A. Thank you.